In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to Loom Video. We're going to make it effortless for your viewers to book time with you right from your Loom recording. The approach we'll use is simple, reliable, and most importantly, the most clickable and visible method inside Loom. Start by opening your Loom Video, head to your Loom library, and select the recording where you want people to schedule time. You'll know you're on the right page when you can see the video player and its details. If you manage multiple recordings, choose the one you share most often, like a demo, a walkthrough, or a welcome message, so your scheduling link gets the most visibility. Next, scroll to the description section for that video. Depending on your layout, you'll find it under the title or alongside the video details. This is where viewers naturally look for context and next steps, which is why it's the ideal spot for your booking link. Click to edit the description so you can add a short, clear call to action. Now paste your Calendly link. A concise line works best, such as, book a call here, https://calendly.com/your link. Loom should automatically detect it and turn it into a clickable hyperlink. If it doesn't, make sure the link starts with https and that there are no stray characters or smart quotes around it. Keep the text clean and direct so it stands out at a glance. You can also add a brief note about what the meeting is for, like a quick intro call or a project review, so viewers know exactly what to expect when they click. This description-based placement is the most visible and clickable option because it appears right where your viewers look for information and it travels with your video anywhere you share the Loom link. Whether someone watches on desktop or mobile, the call to action is easy to find and tap. After pasting, give the page a quick glance to confirm the link is formatted correctly. In most cases, Loom auto-saves your changes, but if you see a save or done button, go ahead and confirm the update. You're aiming for a clean, single-line prompt that makes booking the obvious next step. That's it. Open your Loom video, go to the description section, and paste your Calendly link. With this small tweak, you'll turn passive views into scheduled conversations, making your recording work harder for you every time it's shared.